Alright, my G. So today I'm gonna learn you 3 more ways of how to greet a Jamaican. Yeah? Ready? Alright, steady. First way is this. Catch it now. Where you are deal with. Hear that? Where you are deal with. Say it with me now. Where you are deal with. Where you are deal with. Where you are deal with. Good job. Alright, so that means what are you up to? Next one, no. This is my favorite. You're good. Hear that? You're good. Say it with me now. You good. You're good. Yeah, you catch it now. No, you can use you're good in the instance where you are saying, are you okay? Are you good? How are you? Okay, you're good. Yeah. Next one. Why pray? You're gonna hear Jamaicans use this a lot, especially everybody with their town. Why pray? Hear that? Catch it. Why pray? No, when a person, Jamaican somebody tell you say why pray, them a ask you simply this. What are your plans? What are you up to? What's going on? What's happening on the scene? Why pray? You see me? Catch it. Alright. So we're gonna go over all three of them now. Listen closely. You hear me? First one now. Where you are deal with. Where you are deal with. Hear it. You check? Where you are deal with. Next one now. You're good? You're good? You're good? Mm-hmm. I like that. I like that. Alright. Last one now. Why pray? Why pray? Why pray? Big up yourself, darling. Make sure you like, share, comment, no subscribe, follow, and make sure you save it, repost it, copy the link, people, and share it with your people. And stay tuned for the next class. Remember, practice make what? Confidence. Confidence. Mum, you have to confident when you chat Jamaican patois. See you in the next class. Later.